Hi viewers, this is a lemon. So the lemon is a bright yellow citrus fruit. It has its distinct sour taste and fresh skin because it is rich in citric acid. So lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C and flavonoids, which are antioxidants. So antioxidants help remove free radicals that can damage cells from the body. So lemon contain nutrients that may help support your cardiovascular health. They may also help protect against conditions such as kidney stones and anemia. So the components of lemon: energy 31 calories, water content 9.1 gram, protein 0.5 gram, fat 0.3 gram, carbohydrates 1.9 gram, include fiber 2.1 gram. Next, vitamin C 55 milligram, vitamin A 2 microgram, vitamin B1 0.04 milligram, vitamin B2 0.02 gram. நெக்ஸ்ட் அயன் கண்டென்ட் வந்து 0.5, அதாவது 0.2 மில்லிகிராம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு so many health benefits of lemon. So lemon, how to use lemon? The best way to obtain all the benefits of lemon is to the juice, pulp and grated peel. The latter being important due to the fact that the essential oils of this fruit are bound in the peel. So lemon juice is important to consume cold and as soon as it is made, because 20% of its vitamin C is lost after 8 hours at room temperature and 24 hours if in the refrigerator. So when consuming lemon to prevent anemia, it is important to consume it together with other foods that are rich in iron, as the vitamin C in the lemon promotes iron absorption in the head.